It was December 24th, the day that Santa Croatia Ball had to go on his way to deliver gifts to over 40,000 Roblox YouTubers, including one of them being his favorite one, Sharkbox. Next one was Kaneko Kid. Santa Croatia Ball? Oh, hey. Have you been good this year? Yeah? Also, what's in the presents? Well, you'll have to find out about that the next day. Oh, yeah. What the? Alright, unleash your presence, boys. You're about to get got by Croatia Ball? The same person who gave me these gifts?
FBI, open up!
We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Skibbity New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Skibbity New Year.